So make sure your corset laces are spread out evenly so that they don't come up different lengths at the end. And then start from the top, work your way down. You can hold them tight as you go. It's very similar to lacing a pair of sneakers, starting at the toe and coming up. And just make sure you're pulling tight as you go versus just pulling them all at the end, because it'll be more even and laid correctly. Can you breathe? Okay. I have to ask people that question because I go pretty tight. It is. You'd be surprised.
You want it to stay on with how much you need?
Yes. You don't want it to come off. Yes. That would be it. I can. Be good. You ready to look snatched on your wedding day? Mm-hmm. That's it. I like it. Laced. Probably laced. Also, making sure you keep them turned the right direction as you go helps. Yeah, get all twisted and funky looking. However you want to say that in the caption. I'm good with that too. And I'm going to end it there. So, and then tying a bow, pull up, make 2 loops, and loop those together. Make sure it's straightened. And then always smooth the skin at the top. And we're done.